Okay, so on this side we have the left ventricle. This side we have the right ventricle. On this side is the left atrium, right here on the side of the left ventricle. Here's the right atrium. And we open it up. We have the right ventricle on this side, which is also on this side when you put it together. Here's the left ventricle on the inside. And this is the rest of the left ventricle. Here we have the aorta on here. When you orient it this way, it's on the left side. The left ventricle pumps blood through the aorta. On the inside, we have the chordae tendineae, which are these string-like things. And those attach to papillary muscles, which are on the inside of the ventricle. And then the chordae tendineae attach to the valves. So on the left side, you have the bicuspid valve, which is in between the atrium and the ventricle. And then on the right side, you have the tricuspid valve, which is also attached to chordae tendineae, and it's in between the right atrium and the right ventricle.